Hello! Today we will prepare a fish. It will be salmon with broccoli and cheese. First, we will cover a tray with a little bit of olive oil and place the fish pieces mixed with broccoli. Then we will add some seasoning like dry parsley, basil, or Italian seasoning mix. After baking for approximately 20 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, we will add some breadcrumbs to absorb the moisture. And return the fish to the oven for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how thick the pieces are. Now, we will cover the fish with either pieces of cheese or shredded cheeses of your choice and let it melt in the oven for 5 more minutes. The dish is done. It is good either warm or cold. Welcome to our kitchen. We will cook a rainbow trout in a very special and healthy way. Let's take a clean fish without scales and put it into the pan with cold water. We only need approximately 1 inch of water. The main body of the fish will be treated with hot steam. Now, time to start boiling the water. Meanwhile, let's cover the fish with seasonings. Dried herbs such as parsley and basil mixed with a little bit of salt. You can add a few leaves of fresh basil as well. 15 to 20 minutes and the fish is ready. Bon appetit! Don't forget to share it with your family.